Welcome students. Today we will start the next practice set, that is practice set 11. Okay. Now as you have already studied in previous standard the test of divisibility. Okay. Now in previous video I have explained you what is prime numbers, what is okay. Now let's see what is composite number. Composite numbers. So the number other than 1 which are not prime numbers are called composite numbers. Means 1 and the number except 1 and prime numbers all are composite numbers. Let's see the example. If you want to write the definition, then write here numbers other than 1 which are not prime numbers are composite number. Take examples. See, that is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, etc. are the composite numbers. Okay. Now let's recall the test of divisibility that you studied in standard 6. Now what is a test of divisibility of 2? That is, if in unit place you are finding for 2, okay, if you are finding in unit place, there is 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If in unit place there is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then you can divide, then that number is divisible by 2. Okay. In the similar way, if you, what is a test for 5? If you find in unit place if you find 0 and 5, then that number is divisible by 5. Okay. Now what is the divisibility for 3? For this you have to add the digits given on the given number. Means if suppose the number is 123, then what you will do? You will add the digit of 123, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is equals to 6. Means here you are getting, after adding the digits of 123, here you are getting the number 6. Here 6 is divisible by 3. 6 is divisible by 3. That means this number, this 123 is divisible by 3. Okay. Let's take one more example. Here if I am taking 125, then you are adding the digit, that is 1 plus 2 plus 5. You are getting, after adding you are getting here 8, but 8 is not divisible by 3. 8 is not divisible by 3. That means 125 is not divisible by 3. Okay. I hope this concept is clear to you. So let's start with our practice set. Here the 32 is a composite number. Now we have to find the factors of this. Then here the factors of 32 means, here you can write 2 into 16, that is 32. After that you will find the factors of 16. 2 will remain as it is, then you will factorize this 16, then that 16 is 2 8s are 16. After that these two are prime numbers, then we will keep it as it is, and after that we will find the factors of, the factors of 8 is 2 into 4. After that we will find the factors of 2, that is 4, that is 2 into 2. Then these are the factors of 32, prime factors of 32, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is a one method, that is horizontal arrangement. The second method is, what you will do, you will write 32 like this, and after that you divide it. That is what, how we will divide, that is 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and here the 2 1s are 2. Here you are getting, if you are getting a 1, that means your factorization will over here. Okay, now let's take one second one. The second sum is 57. Now, as you all know the test of divisibility, just now I explain you. Now here, in unit place there is 7. Then what we will do, we will add the digits of this. Yeah, after adding, that is what you will get there, 5 plus 7, that is equals to 12. And 12 is divisible by 3. That means this 57 is divisible by 3. So then we will start with 57. That is 3. Yeah, I am dividing it by 3. Then is 3 1s are 3. And 5 minus 3 is 2. And this 7 will become 27. Then 3 9s are 27. And 19 is a prime number. Then here we will write 19 1s are 19. That means the factors of 57 is 3 into 19. Okay. Now, take one more example, that is third one. This is second one. Now third one, that is 23. Now 23 itself is a prime number. Then the factors of 23 is 23 into 1. Okay. Now, yeah, now next one, take one more example. Here I am taking the seventh one. The seventh sum, that is 765. 765. Now see here, in unit place there is 5. Means this number is divisible by 5. So let's start. 765. Then we will divide it. 5 1s are 5. And here 7 minus 5 is 2. Your remainder is 2, and this 6 will become 26. If you are getting difficult, then you can divide like this only, that is 765. Okay, then 7 1s are 7. Here it will become 26, then 26, then 5 5s are 25. Remainder is 1, that is 15. Then 5 3s are 15. You can solve by division also. Okay, so let's see how we will do it. You know this 765 is divisible by 5. Then here 5 1s are 5, and 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, remainder is 2. Then after that you will take 6 down, and 5 5s are 25, and here remainder is 1, and this 5 is here. Then 5 3s are 50. Then here you are getting remainder is 0. That means the factors of 765 is 153 into 5. Okay. Now, after that, what you will do? You can now you can see this 153. What you will do? You will add the digits of this. Then after adding 1 plus 5 plus 3, you are getting here 9. Okay, 9. 9 is divisible by 3, means 153 is divisible by 3. Then here you will divide it, that is 3 5s are 15, and 3 1s are 3. Again 5 plus 1 is 6, then it will divisible by 3. then 5 ones are 5 and remainder is 2, then it will become 21, and here 3 sevens are 21, and 17 is a prime number, then 17 ones are 17. Therefore the factors of 765 is 5 into 3 into 3 into 70. Okay. Okay, now the remaining sum from this practice sets are your homework. For any other doubt, you can ask your doubt on WhatsApp group. Okay, in next video we will study about the HCF, how to find the HCF. Okay, for this you understood this factorization, prime factorization. Okay.